Selling your home with an agent versus on your own. We're in a hot seller's market. I can sell my home on my own. I know today's market is super hot and some homes are selling over asking price, getting multiple offers, and on the market for only a few days. Easy peasy, right? Well, according to DaveRamsey.com, sellers using the for sale by owner option sold their homes for less than the median selling price of other homes. This is Christine Luri, real estate broker with At Properties, and there are several things that a licensed professional realtor can bring to the table that the average individual does not have access to or knowledge of. As a seller of your property, are you prepared to pay out-of-pocket expenses for things such as signs, marketing, and advertising? Do you think a sign in your front lawn and a posting on Zillow or Realtor.com is enough? Do you have time to show the home to every interested buyer? Are you going to be available for inspections, appraisal, and walkthroughs? Are you aware of all the legally mandated disclosures and forms that are required? Do you have access to comparable sales in your neighborhood? Zillow admits their estimates are within 10% of the final sale price only 71.5% of the time. That doesn't sound like a trusted resource to me. This inaccurate information could end up costing you thousands of dollars, not to mention time, to do the research, showings, marketing, and legalities all on your own. With me as your broker, I incur all marketing costs, signs, flyers, professional photography, video marketing, and so much more. Just the digital marketing, social media advertising, and geofencing in and of itself is a full-time job. I have access to the multiple listing service, the MLS, which expands your buyer's search. My digital marketing plan will expose your home to the masses. In order to price your home properly, you need someone who has experience analyzing the local market, inventory, and comparative market analysis, and the MLS. Legally, you are represented by a brokerage that has your best interest in mind and is compliant with disclosures, coordinating with title and escrow and lenders. To sum it all up, a licensed realtor sells homes every day and knows the dynamics of the market. A realtor is on your side to negotiate on your behalf so that you can be concerned with packing, coordinating your move, and finalizing your utilities, moving truck, and everything else involved in moving. Not to mention, buyers tend to be skeptical of people selling on their own because it is a large investment for most people, and they typically factor in the savings of the seller not paying a commission and adjust the offering price lower to offset that. You need a trusted advisor on your side, which also provides reassurance to the buyers. If you're thinking of selling your home on your own, let's connect. I would be happy to discuss your real estate goals and how we can achieve them. Again, this is Christine Luri with At Properties, and as always, home is key to a happy life, so love where you live.